We're at High-End Selling Secrets, and I'm a big fan of selling high-end because of the way the numbers work out. If you sell a low-end program, if you sell something for $5 and you get 1,000 customers, you're going to end up with $5,000. Yay. $5,000. Who here wants $5,000? Who wants $5,000? Yeah, hell yeah. All right. Now check this math out. If you sell something for $50,000 and you make one sale, you get $50,000. Yeah, I know, right? Now, what if you were to sell 5? What does that equal? 250,000? Try 20? Yeah. All right, let's do times 20.
1 million, baby.
$1 million. There's 13 people in here that would be willing to invest $50,000 if they could push a button and find their perfect soulmate. Andy helps people do that. So she's saying, come see her. High-end money adds up fast. How many $250,000 sales do you need to make $1 million? 4. Yeah. Okay. So you have all your hopes and dreams and goals and all that stuff that you got out there. And, some people are big fans of membership sites. And one day I'm going to have one. One day I'm going to have like a monthly membership, $5, $20, $40, whatever, a couple $100 maybe membership site. One day I'm going to have one of those. But the great thing about high-end is you don't have to have a big audience. And you don't necessarily have to go $50,000. But let's say you're a dating coach and you're offering your program for $5,000. And by the way, it was either 100% or really close to 100% of people would press that magic button to find their soulmate for $5,000. Now, maybe, the certainty level of the magic button matters, right? You know for certain you're going to get it when you spend that $5,000. But when you hire a coach, you don't have that same level of certainty. You have a little bit less certainty, maybe even a lot less certainty, depending on how confident you are. Your confidence creates confidence in your clients. Your confidence and certainty and belief in your own program is going to create confidence and certainty and belief in your clients. So you have to be strong on the inside. You got to be really confident to be able to make high-end offers and get people to sign up. The more confident you are, the more people are going to sign up because that confidence and certainty is contagious. That enthusiasm is contagious. When you're enthusiastic, when you're passionate about what you have to offer and the value of it, people are going to want it. So let's say it's $5,000 dating coaching program. To me, that's, some people would say that's high-end. To me, that's medium. I don't think that's super high-end at all, but I know a lot of people would think $5,000 dating clients would be a lot. It's all perspective, so high-end, I don't know. I can't tell you a certain dollar amount is high-end or a certain dollar amount is not high-end. I mean, $1 is definitely not high-end. I mean, that we know, right? And here's the thing about coaching fees. No matter how little you charge, there's going to be people who can't afford it. There's going to be people who are like, oh my gosh, $1, I can't afford it. Seriously, there's people who would be like, I can't afford it for $1. But the opposite's also true. No matter how much you charge, there's people who can't afford it. One day, could be at this event, maybe not, maybe in the future, but someday somebody's going to pay $125,000 or more to work with me for a single day. It might be at this event, it might be in the future, who knows? But somebody's going to do it. Every time I've raised my rates, somebody's come along willing to pay it. Right? Now, does that mean everybody would be willing to pay it? No, right? But for this example's sake, let's say $5,000 is your price point for your package if you're a dating coach. Now, I'm not saying it should be this low. I'm not saying it should be this high. Just using it for an example, right? How many do you need to sell to make $100,000? 20? 20. Who here would feel like, you know what, if I could get my business to $100,000 in the next 12 months, that would be a great achievement. I'd feel really good about that. Yeah. So you only need 20 people to pay $5,000, and then you make $100,000. 20 people times 5,000 equals 100,000. This isn't even a dating seminar. Right? Can you imagine if this was a room full of single people and I was going to teach some dating advice and I could show you that I'm like a super dating guru and I've had lots of success stories helping other people find their soulmates? Then how many people in the audience then would sign up for a $5,000 program? I don't know the number, but I would think 20 people out of 120, 130 people, how many are here, I would think 20 people would say yes to that, maybe more, right? And you could make that $5,000 offer. You could invite people to have a free session that sells with you. You wouldn't call it that. You'd call it a Find Your Soulmate Now coaching session or whatever you would call it. And then from that session, you could offer them this $5,000 program. And when we're selling something, we're not really selling something. We're inviting people. We're making invitations. If people want to take you up on it, great. If they don't, that's okay too. It's not really selling. It's really helping people make a decision. Selling is really helping people decide. It's not about trying to get people to do something they don't want to do. I think that's the big problem with that people have with selling. They think it's supposed to be how do you push people into doing something that they don't want to do? How do you get people to buy something from you when they didn't want to buy something from you before, right? To me, selling is just inviting. Hey, I've got this thing. Would you like to hear a little bit about it? Yeah, you want to hear about it? Awesome. Let me tell you about it. And then I tell you about it. And then I say, how does this sound? Good. Okay. Do you have any questions about it? No. All right. Does this feel like something you want to get started with? Yeah. All right. Great. Did you want to do the full pay or want to do the payment plan? I'll do the full pay. Great. Let me get you entered into the system. Right? Or maybe they do have questions. Or maybe they're not sure. Or maybe they want to think about it. See, here's the thing. We'll talk about this a little bit. What do you do when people want to think about it? It's okay for people to think about it. They can think about it. I want you to think about it. And you also want to have a reason for people to go for it now anyway. So you can take as long as you want to think about it, but I also have special pricing and special bonuses for people who decide, I want to just go for it now. Would you like to hear about that? Yes. Okay, great. Let me tell you about that. All right, which of these feels like the best option for you? Oh, I'm still not sure. Great. Well, again, you can take as long as you want to think about it, or if you want, I'd be happy to help coach you through the decision. I would love for you to get to a place of peace and clarity right now, so you don't have to worry about it and kind of be, thinking or toiling away, wondering or worrying about it later. Would you like some coaching on that? Yes, no, maybe. They do, great, coach them. They don't, let them go. Right? We're not here. It's all invitation. It's all you get to decide for yourself. Okay? All right.